MAPEH Health 6 Medicines by Francelette V. Padios. There was a person who went to the doctor for a consultation. "Doctor, I am sick. Please treat me very quick. Let my health be fixed by giving me prescriptions." The doctor, wearing her white suit, answered after examination, "Buy this medicine along with my prescription. You can avail prescription drug with my authorization." Then another person came to seek medical attention. "Doctor, I don't feel well. I've been very ill. I suffer cough and chill. Should I drink a pill?" The doctor, wearing her white suit, answered after examination, "Oh, you need a medicine, an over-the-counter medicine. No need of prescription. When you purchase it will heal your disease." According to the poem, where did the person go and why? What did the doctor do to the patients or persons who seek medical attention? What did the doctor prescribe to the first person who visited her clinic? How can prescription drug be availed? The second person who visited the doctor is suffering from cough and chill. After health examination, what kind of medicine did the doctor recommend? So the lesson for today is over-the-counter and prescription medicines. Here are the objectives. Differentiate between over-the-counter and prescription medicines. Engage in group activity and enhance their communication skills by presenting group's work. And explains the uses of some over-the-counter and prescription medicines. Standards in watching video. Get ready. Make sure you are settled in your seat with any necessary materials like notebooks or pens ready. Be respectful. Show respect to your teacher and classmates by listening quietly. Focus. Pay attention to the purpose of the video. And participate. Be ready to discuss what you've learned from after the video. Here's the video. What are over-the-counter medicines? Over-the-counter medicines are medicines sold directly to a consumer without prescription from a healthcare professional. Here are some common examples and their uses. Over-the-counter medicines, these are the examples: paracetamol, analgesics, antipyretics, antidiarrheal, and these are their uses. It is a pain reliever and fever reducer used to treat headache, muscle aches, toothache, and colds. It is known as painkillers used to relieve pain and to achieve analgesia. Substances that reduce fever, the body works to lower the temperature, resulting in a reduction in fever. And any medication which provides relief for diarrhea. And another is we have laxatives, antihistamines, carbocysteine. Okay. So these are their uses. Foods, components, or drugs that are most often used to treat constipation. It is used in the treatment of allergic disorders and some other conditions. And it is a medicine which is used in treatment of excessive viscous mucus or phlegm. So what are the prescription medicines? Prescription medicines are drugs that must be taken with a doctor's supervision. Here are some common examples and their uses. Here are the prescription medicines, antibiotics, or also known as antibacterials, antidepressants, and antihypertensive. And these are their uses. It is the types of medications that destroy or slow down the growth of bacteria, used to treat infections caused by the bacteria. And then it is used for the treatment of major depressive disorder and other conditions, including dysthymia, anxiety disorders, compulsive disorder, eating disorders, chronic pain, neuropathic pain, and in some cases, dysmenorrhea, snoring, migraines, attention deficit, hyperactivity disorder or the ADHD, substance abuse, and sleep disorders. And lastly, it is the drugs that are used to treat hypertension for high blood pressure. So now, these are the questions. What are the two types of medicines? What type of medicine needs a prescription or authorization from doctor upon purchase? Where can we buy the drugs? What type of medicine can be bought in stores and drugstores that do not require authorization from doctors or health workers? Where can we purchase over-the-counter medicines? Why should over-the-counter and prescription medicines need to have Food and Drug Administration or FDA-approved labels and a specific dosage? Time for teamwork. Group 1. Group 1 or for the group the medicine. Group the medicines inside the bags by writing them under the appropriate bottle they belong. And then for group 2, we can be a little doctor. Your classmates are sick. Can you tell them what medicines to take for their simple illness? So number 1, Maria did not brush her teeth after eating candies and chocolates. She suddenly felt that her tooth ached. What medicine should she take? Number 2, Romeo attended his cousin's birthday party. He ate too much that his stomach rumbled. He visited the comfort room many times and deposited liquid waste. What should be the fast relief for his LPM? And for last question, or last scenario, the weather was unpredictable. The sun shone brightly during the day, then the rain poured hard in the afternoon. Samantha exposed herself to it, resulting that her body temperature hit above normal. She got fever. How can her fever be reduced? What medicine she will take? Next, for group 3, fill in the organizer. Fill in the graphic organizer that will answer the question. Number 1, name the 2 different kinds of medicines and write them in the small boxes. And number 2, give at least 2 examples of each kind of medicines and write in the large boxes. For group number 4, what's in the medicine cabinet? Match each over-the-counter or prescription medications in a medicine cabinet that can help solve the problems found. So here are the problems. Number 1, Trisha kept coming back to the comfort room with water stool. What medicine has given to stop her diarrhea? Number 2, Nono experienced high fever. What medicine did his mother give him to lower his body temperature? Number 3, Mr. Santos was diagnosed with hypertension or high blood pressure. What maintenance drug did he use to lower his blood pressure? Number 4, Tantan suffered from toothache. What did his father offer to him to stop or relieve the pain? And number 5, Gilda kept on scratching because of her allergy. What did she use to relieve the itchiness? Time to share or time to present your work. Okay, so next activity, POV or stands for point of view. Directions. Read the situation carefully and answer the questions that follow. Jenny bought a fever medicine for her younger brother, Rudy, at the local supermarket. When she got home, her mother noticed damage on the medicine's packaging. Will they let Rudy drink the medicine? Why? What should be done upon seeing a damaged medicine's packaging? Quiz time. Directions. Write agree if the statement is correct about over-the-counter and prescription medicines, and write disagree if it is not. Number 1. Lolita visited a doctor and was given a prescription. She showed the prescription to the pharmacist and was given a prescription medicines. Number 2. Francisco was not given a prescription medicine at the drugstore because he was not able to bring the prescription from his doctor. Number 3. Prescription drugs can be bought in sari-sari stores or tiangge. Number 4. Loy had a high fever. The school nurse gave an over-the-counter medicine from the medicine cabinet as a medication. Number 5. Pharmacist could give a prescription medicine to a customer even without a doctor's prescription. Answer each question briefly. What are over-the-counter medicines? What are prescription medicines? Choose 3 medicine, either OTC or prescription, and explain its uses.